This cool looking thing is called a pH scale, and it ranges from 0 to 14. This scale measures how acidic or basic solutions are. 7 on the pH scale is neutral. Above 7 is basic, while below 7 is acidic. But what does it mean when something is acidic or basic? Acidic solutions have an excess or a large amount of hydrogen ions. Basic solutions have an excess of hydroxyl ions. And neutral solutions will have an even amount of these hydroxyl and hydrogen ions. You can see in our acidic solution there is an excess or a large amount of these hydrogen ions. The hydrogen ions are represented by an H+. And in our basic solution, there is a large amount of these hydroxyl ions, which are labeled OH-. And in our neutral solution, there is an even amount between the hydroxyl and hydrogen ions. It's important to remember that these hydrogen ions are just protons. Ions are atoms that gain or lose electrons, and when hydrogen loses an electron, it just becomes a proton. One more thing about the pH scale. It's important to remember that this scale is logarithmic, which means between each one of these numbers is a scale of 10. So 6 on this pH scale is 10 times more acidic than 7. And 5 is 10 times more acidic than 6 and 100 times more acidic than 7. Every time we move on this pH scale, you have to multiply it by a scale of 10.